go. Yeah. You try and brake. Ito si Ivan.
Diba, best? Kaya ko na. Pak! Charot!
Hey guys, so today's a special day for me kasi we're going to ski. I've never skied in my life. And sabi ko nga, this year, kaya punta na rin ako dito, Korea. Sabi ko, hindi ski ako kasi for the first time, I've always wanted to ski. And I even wanted to try snowboarding kasi last year, kung nalala, Japan ako, diba? Tapos yung kaibigan ko, tapos nagkwento sila na nag-snowboard. So parang sabi ko, parang gusto ko rin mag-try mag-snowboard. This is my outfit, scarf, China pants rin to, pero ang kapal nito, binili to ni mom. Ito, ngayon ko siya masusuot. So, in fairness, konting bihis na ako. And then, mag-meet up na kasi 6:50 daw yung pick-up. Pagod, pero medyo excited. So, parang nawala yung pagod ko. And I will be using my DJI Osmo Action 5 kasi syempre we're gonna be in the snow. Mas matibay itong camera na to. And by the way, I was able to buy this parang flash dito sa gilid na extension. Kasi if ever kulang ng ilaw, boom! Boom! Oh! Pak! O, diba? Tapos ina-attach lang siya via magnetic. Taray! Freshen up, tapos na ako. 6:25. 6:50 yung meet up doon. I have a roughly on 10, 20, 25 minutes pa. Saktong-sakto. I'll bring a big tote. Then water to keep me hydrated. And super bonggang daming lotion. I'll also bring my own lotion here. This is what I use. Kasi kailangan ko yung sobrang cream na talaga ngayon para boosh na boosh talaga sa mukha mo. Hey guys, so ayun yung pick up natin here. Perfect! So 13 to 24 yung bus natin. Upo na ako at saka dinamig na ako. Hello! 13 to 20. In fairness, una ako sa bus. Ayun yung buong bus mo. Not bad. Okay, 13 to 24.
So, I know you guys are so tired this morning, so let's just take a sleep.
So guys, ito na yung ski namin. So, ito na yung ski. Kailangan, di ba? Hello! Ay, hindi ko parehas tayo na 5.
Pero ano yan?
Guys, kailangan mo muna ng itong orange bag. So, ito guys, unahin mo. And then afterwards, kailangan mo kunin yung ganun mong outfit. So, ito, bottom. Kuha ka ng bottom at saka top. Importante, ito, basta kasya sa'yo, go na yan. Tapos dito sa bag mo nito, ilalagay mo lahat. So dito, siksikan talaga guys. As in siksikan. Guys, pwede ka rin kayo bumili dito ng mga gloves mo. So kailangan ganito kasi waterproof daw siya. Oh. And then medyo makapal. And then you can also get your socks. Kasi sabi nila, yung mga shoes matagal na. So bumili ka na rin ng socks. Kung kailangan mabilis ka, choose kaagad yung akyat mo and baba and then go. At saka kailangan may protector pala. Ito yung protector. Ito yung protector. Kailangan mo daw to. Huwag kang hindi kasi nasusugat yung mga tao dyan. Okay, so nakuha ko na lahat ng akin. So dinamihan ko na para at least makapag-test out tayo ng iba-ibang sizes. Kasi kailangan natin na ganyan. And then kukuha na lang ako later ng mga protector. Yan na silang gravity na oh. Hindi, yung iba.
Insured ka naman, Jax, kaya kumuha ka yan.
Oo, ang kinuha kong insurance is with
with extreme
correct, sports.
activities.
Ganun talaga. Dito ako, pinasok na yung mga outfit, yung mga hindi mo kailangan dito sa paper, sa yellow-orange bag nila. Kumuha rin ako ng mga protectors eh. Kasi just to be safe. Kasi may iba daw nasusugatan. At saka ito ang kapal nito for the butt. So kumuha ko rin yan. Okay, bihis muna ako. Taray.
Fit check! Turn left.
Kakaiba.
Ikot ka na lang para mabilis. Ayan.
Guys, bumili na lang ako ng mga gloves. Pero may rental sila, yung package kasama yung rental. Pero bumili na ako. So okay na rin naman. Ang dami namin today. Ang ganda rin na outfit ko kasi kakaiba yung color. Oo, tag no? Now ready na tayo kasi we can already go to the car. And then may tsura dito. Na guys. Ayun na siya. Pak! Ayun na, let's go mo! I'm so excited!
Ngayon, makikita
Parang dapat
natin
dito tayo.
dito sa Elysian ang pagiging competitive ni Jax. Meron ditong iba't ibang levels, guys. So I'm pretty sure si Jax mamaya nandun na siya sa
Hindi
pro.
mahirap.
Oo.
Eto na, ready na tayo. Alam mo, UV dito guys, kailangan medyo maingat kayo. Guys, yung restaurant is here. So guys, ito na yung ticket natin. Kasi kung mawala mo daw to, kung may photo ka, 2,000. Pero kung ipa-replace mo or wala na talaga, bayaran mo buo. May beginner at saka may intermediate. Guys, meron silang mga boxes dito na pwede mo ilagay yung mga gamit. In fairness,
They're gonna measure your feet.
measure daw yung
And
feet.
then they will be able to get a shoe
Ayan,
that
you
fits
can
you.
measure. Ayan, para makita natin yung paa natin. 260 ata.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ang bigat.
Into the boot. I push down and all the way.
Mabali yung paa ko.
Oh, tapos lock. Guys, may water pa dito. At saka may coffee. Guys, i-check nila yung shoes mo first. So, 26 to. Are we ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Let's go.
Helmet on, please. It's just for safety.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You're gonna look behind your shoulder, make sure that it's lined up. You're gonna step down with your heel, and the ski is gonna click on and be attached to your foot.
Gagano tayo. Wait lang.
You're looking at me,
Okay.
and you try and brake. And brake. Yeah, that's good. That's
Perfect.
Good.
Got
Nice.
it.
Okay, so you can go through. So open, let's go. Sit down, okay? Alright, so you have the full safety board down.
Ba't may natutumba dito?
Okay, let's see, let's see. Oh no. Yeah. Nice, nice. Oh. Yeah.
Ang hirap nito, hindi ko alam kung paano ko hahawakan to na nakaski pababa. Yung isang kamay mo mag-up talaga dahil. Kasi isa lang.
Kaya ba yan?
Snowboard kasi. Diba, Bes? Kaya ko na. Pak! Charot!
Guys, in fairness, nagawa na natin yon. And then, ano rin ako, the GS25 beginner. Pero nasumahem pa lang. Pero okay lang yon. And then now, ito yung dining area nila sa Snow Garden. So, pwede ka kumain dito and then pwede ka bumili ng mga food. And card only siya dito. Meaning credit card lang. Ayan, ito yung mga food na meron sila. Ito ang mga dining area nila dito, guys. And then maghahanap na kami ng mga upuan dito before anything else. Ito yung food namin, guys. I got a cutlet. In fairness, parang complete set. Pagalitan ako ng coach ko dito.
Kasama na pala.
Ewan ko lang kung mahanap.
Ay na, solid na kami. Ito. End of an era. Thank you for today. Hi guys, so I'm back in the room and I just want to quickly do this vlog on my very first ski experience. And if ever you're going to plan to have your ski, snowboarding, I love this Elysian. Number one, it's not that far from the city. Parang an hour or two yung drive niya. Tapos, everything's covered na. Yung package na nakuha namin was, meron ka namang rental for your gloves, and then may rental na siya for helmet. So ako, bumili na ako ng gloves kasi parang sabi ko, at least just in case kailangan ko man bumili, kailangan ko next year, if ever want to try, bumili na rin ako nito. If you recall, parang bumili na rin ako ng medyas doon. But to be honest, natakot lang kami parang doon sa sinabi ng tour guide na parang maraming gumagamit ng shoes. I get it, but if you have your own socks naman na makapal, hindi mo na kailangan bumili. So yun, this face covering, to be honest, hindi ko na siya dapat binili kasi for me parang sayang lang siya. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. I believe you can go without it, but if takot ka sa lamig, ayaw mo ma-windburn, get that as well. Ito yung original Uniqlo gloves ko, diba? Ang problema nito, hindi siya waterproof, unlike this one. Waterproof to. So kahit matamaan ka sa snow at saka mas makapal to. So yun. One thing that I've truly enjoyed is like the classes, paano mo siya itatry. Nakapag ski rin ako doon sa beginner A na area, mas mataas yung mga slopes. Syempre nadapa, pero kasi parang may pump siyang gano'n. But natuwa ako, at least na-try ko siya. And I've been thinking of skiing for like a year na, gusto ko mag-snowboard din. If more time lang, pwede, gusto ko rin siya matry yung snowboarding as well. One thing that I want to recommend, syempre, do it na habang you're young. To be honest, kasi habang we're younger, di ba, kaya pa natin mag-risk, ganyan. I do have my own insurance. Yung insurance na kinuha ko was for hazardous sports. Just in case, knock on wood, bumili ako ng hazardous sports. Ang na-notice ko doon, mas mahal definitely yung insurance mo, parang dumoble siya. But, at least, di ba, kasi alam ko ito yung lalaroin ko for this trip. For me, go, it is not that easy, but kaya. Yun yung one thing na parang sabi ko, hindi siya sobrang dali, pero kayang-kaya siya. So, if ever you wanna try it, go. We got it in Elysian. Meron kang package with the cabins. Hindi lang namin kinuha yung mga ganyang cabins. If given the chance, kung mas matagal din lang, alam mo, parang gusto ko doon, para tomorrow, sabak ulit ako. Don't forget, makinig sa instructor mo para at least alam nyo. I have to still learn yung parang super magsa-stop tapos pushing the snow on the side. Kasi parang ako kanina dire-diretso talaga. I will have footage there. But I'm telling you, I'm so happy. Natutuwa talaga ako siya. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. For whoever wants to try it out, for me, worth it. Worth it yung experience niyan. Kung nandun ka na rin naman na, try skiing, try snowboarding if ever you want a more challenging. Pero sabi nila, mas mahirap talaga ang snowboard because ski is definitely easier for beginners. So parang ski ka muna, then tsaka ka mag-snowboard. So yun lang, and I hope you enjoyed it. Pero guys, I'm so happy talaga with this experience. Natuwa ako, parang buo na yung trip ko. Kasi talagang ito yung inabang ko for so long. See you on the next.